Let's change this to just a 2-stitch.
I just do
Might be a little difficult with a
Yeah. I don't usually leave it. I just do it.
needle this big.
Yeah, my wife cleaned the kids out one time. She pulled that thing out.
Like right there, when I turned that needle, I could feel it picked up fiber.
Okay.
It's just that part of it. It just comes with experience.
Okay. Yeah, and like if you don't twist your thread so it lays flat.
Do you think it'll run out? Are you going to run out of thread?
No, I'm changing it to just a straight 2-stitch.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a little more difficult that way, but that way I can get all the way down to the end and tie it.
So basically, right now you're going back and then a hole past that.
Back stitch, kind of.
I was just telling her, you can feel when you put the needle in there,
Yeah.
you can feel if you catch fiber.
Fiber?
But it takes some experience. Like if you haven't done it enough to realize that's what you're feeling.
Not mine.
This knot's gonna be fun.
You gonna make it?
Be a cussing knot.